goodness, dude.
Man, I'm getting fucking attacked.
That was gas.
I'm under attack.
Are they horseflies or mosquitoes?
Yes. Horsefly, yellow flies, man, whatever the fuck they are. God damn it.
Hey.
I almost wore pants.
Whoa! Jesus! Whoa, get out your hand!
I had a concussion to my skull.
God damn, son.
When he said watch out, I thought he was talking about you throwing more gas. Not lighting it.
Yeah.
Good God.
It was a fume.
Did you hear the echo?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like,
Yeah.
boom.